I just received this product, which is called Restorz-it. I've been looking at how to clean up our kitchen cabinet. I don't want to reface it really, don't want to spend the money. This product claims that it actually restores some of the damages that has been done by water. This is probably most damaged part of our kitchen cabinet. So if you can see, there are all these white water damage on the surface. What I'm expecting is that by applying this product, all this will go away. I'm gonna clean up this section and allow it to dry out, then apply the magic material and see if it works. Let's see how the cleaning works out. Okay, now surface clean and dry. Here's the moment of truth. I apply Restorz-it to the cabinet. If you compare the before and after, you'll notice that this looks so much better. All those white spots are completely gone and there is a nice shade. This is very, very nice actually. Really made a big difference.